To create a group in Flipgrid, click the blue Create a Group button. Give the group a name. You will also have a join code for the group, which we will not change. When you scroll down, you have 4 different choices of how to allow your students into the topic. You can choose student email, you can use student username, Google Classroom, or public. To work with students, we advise you to either use student email or Google Classroom. Public groups should not be used in a classroom. If you click on student email, you are going to add the domain names for our students and their email, which will be at cpslions.com, put a comma, and also add at chelmsford.k12.ma.us, since our students are included under both those email domains. If you decide to use Google Classroom, click on Google Classroom, and the very first time you will have to sign in with Google. Pick your school ID and allow Flipgrid to access your Google Classroom information. Once you have done that, you will notice that all your Google Classrooms are listed in the drop-down menu. For now, we're going to pick the email method of allowing students to go into Flipgrid. Once you get down here, the other features that you can look at is if you want to allow students to receive email notifications when new topics are added. That is up to your personal preference if you want to toggle this on or off. Group status is usually kept active. If you turn it to hidden, students will not be able to see what is in the group. You can personalize your group cover by adding an image, and there are different selections of images that are given to you by Flipgrid under these different tabs. So once you've picked an image and you've got an image that's going to be over there, click Create Group. And you have a code that you can share with your students. There's also different ways you can share this code out through your QR code, Google Classroom, and multiple different other methods. For now, we are not going to share anything. We will just close this up. So now your group is created. It's called the red group. That's the code. You also have an option of adding a co-pilot in Flipgrid. A co-pilot is any other teacher who co-teaches with you, like a special education teacher, an ELL teacher who needs access to see the work that is submitted by the students. So if you want to add another educator, click the Add a Co-pilot button, enter the teacher, special education, or ELL teacher's email address, and send them an invite. And when they go into their Flipgrid, they will see an invitation to be part of this group. Once your group is created, if you want to share out your group information, you can still go ahead and click Share, and you will get that same screen that you had before. If you want to look at the actions and add other co-pilots, or if you want to make any changes, you can go over here. You also have the pencil icon that brings you back to the main page where you can make any changes that you require, and then click Update Group.